How to wash your Zomee Z2 parts. You're going to have components on the Zomee Z2 that are going to be silicone. That includes the breast shield, the duckbill valve, as well as the diaphragm. These three components are made out of silicone, and you should be very gentle the way you wash them. We recommend washing in warm soap and water, taking a basin, filling it up with soap, and gently washing it with warm soap and water. We do not recommend sterilizing these parts, as they will warp the parts, which will cause your suction to decrease and your pump not to work properly. If you are to sterilize the parts, the best and safest method is a boiling pot of water. Do not use a bottle sterilizer, microwave, or dishwasher when it comes to the silicone parts. Your plastic parts, which will include your breast shield body, your bottle, and your diaphragm cap, you can wash in the dishwasher however you'd like, but we do recommend with the silicone parts to wash in warm soap and water. Typically, every 2-3 months we recommend to specifically switch out the duckbill valves and diaphragms. If you're going to sterilize it more often, you should probably swap these parts out sooner, being that the parts will get worked out quicker. Do not wash your tubing, as the Zomee Z2 pump is a closed system, so no milk will ever get into the tubing. If you notice that there's any condensation or milk in the tubing, you should discard the tubing and reach out to our customer service team to get a new set of tubes.